Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 Volkswagen Transporter. This one is a long wheelbase 5-door medium van. This does come with just over 22,000 miles upon the clock, and it does come with everything you'd expect in one of these Volkswagens. It does come with cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, a 6-speed manual transmission, 3 cloth-lined seats, air conditioning, radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, as well as reversing cameras and also parking sensors. Now I will just show you the load area in the back, and as you can see, it is rather generous for a medium-sized van. There are cargo rings to tow on any load you may want to carry as well. Just to point out the obvious, it is indeed ply load. Now I will just show you this load space from the back as well. As you can see, I will just open the barn doors rather than a tailgate like you do get on some transporters. And as you can also see, we do have an absolutely pristine bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads as well. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Volkswagen Transporter, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. It's in the description of this video. Type in that reg plate just there and you can read more about this vehicle. And if you don't live too far away, why not come down to our site just outside of Reading. You discover more about this van, take it for a test drive, speak to one of our specialists about it.